In this video, I will show you how to create and edit a menu in your WordPress site. Menus are features and themes which allow you to create navigation menus for your site visitors. I will be using the Revolution Pro theme that I showed you how to customize in the last video. To get to the menu section, you go to Appearance and then you click Menus. It's very easy to create a menu. This particular theme comes with two menus, a left menu and a right menu. The left menu is on this side and the right menu is on this side. I want to show you how to create your own menu, so I am going to change the left menu. Let's go to left menu. And I'm going to unclick the display location because I don't want this one displayed. I want the new one that I'm getting ready to create displayed. So let me save that. Always click save whenever you make any changes. Then you go to create a new menu. And I'm just going to call this the new left. I'm going to use the same things, home, about us, and contact us. I'm just going to put an in front of everything so that we know it's the menu that I created. Home. So you click on what you want and click add to menu. Add to menu and contact us. Add to menu. I'm just putting these ins to remind us that we made this menu. And so that it will show, we click on the area we want it to show in, left menu, and then we save it. Okay, now let's go back. And the menu has been created. Now I want to show you how easy it is to edit a menu that you have created. You can either add items or delete them. Now when you're adding items, you can add pages like we did already. You can also add posts if you have any on your blog, on your site. There's only one here so far, so we'll just click on that one and add it to the menu. You can also add custom links if you want to have a sister site or something like that in your header. You can just put the URL. I'm going to put in my mom's site. And you just name it whatever you want to. I'm going to name it sister site. And I'm going to add it to the menu. And you could also use categories. Once again, this is a demo site, so there aren't any blog posts and categories yet. But when there are some, you could click on that and add it to the menu. All right, so that's how you add items, and you can also delete items. We're going to keep homepage, but let's get rid of About Us. And to delete, you just click on whatever item it is and click Remove. And we're also going to get rid of the Contact Us page. Once your menu is in the order that you want it to be, then you can just save it. And now those changes are reflected on your site. The great thing about menus is that you can just drag and drop the order you want the items in. Another neat thing is that you can add sub navigation with just a click of your spacebar. The reason you would want to use sub navigation is if you have too many categories, which would make your site look cluttered if you put them all on the main navigation. I try to keep my main navigation under 6 items. Yeah, under 6 is good because you don't want your site to be too busy. But oftentimes you have many things that you want to display. You might have different types of services or products, and so you would want to put them underneath a main category. And how you do that is you click on whatever it is that you want to add to your menu underneath a main category, and you add it to the menu, and then you just put it underneath and by indenting it underneath where you want it to show on your navigation, and you click save. Now let's see, on our site we had put the sub navigation under sister site, and there it is. So now you've seen how to create a menu page, edit it by adding or deleting items or moving items around, and you have also learned how to do a sub navigation. So now you should be pretty clear on how to do the menus for your WordPress website.